What's taking so fucking long? I genuinely choked because I just forgot you had a hold on. It was so fucking dark you can't see shit. It's so fun. Thank you, Satisfying. Genuinely a great level that you fucking made with other people. It's funny, sometimes being one of my favorite levels in PvP and one of my least favorites. You know how the fuck that's possible, but you accomplished it. I mean, I know this is 2.0 and Sigils is 2.1, but nonetheless, so impressive. And this is insane even though. Oh boy, do I hate scenes. Fuck you, Boss Furnace. Fuck you, Sam Fine. You can go suck a dick. No one likes you. Please go die. Please. Fuck you. I think that's one of the worst gold levels I've ever played. Genuinely dog shit, dude. Holy shit. Well, GG, I guess. Another gold done. Fuck you. Dog shit level. Genuinely hate you. Yeah, go fuck yourself. Oh, yeah, that's awesome.